Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi. My name's Jakara, and today I want to talk to you about 5 ways in which you can make a outdoor oasis. I'm in beautiful Jamaica. Obviously, I'm not at my own outdoor oasis in Chicago, and I'm in Jamaica. And I want to use some examples here and from my own home to show you how you can create an outdoor oasis. So if you want to see that, then stay tuned.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly, look in my eyes.
So the first thing you want to think about when you are creating an outdoor oasis is you want to think about the 5 senses, right? You want to think about visuals, your visual sense, what you're looking at, what you're touching, the textures of things, the smells of the things around you, what you hear. Right now I'm hearing somebody push a cart. But overall, I'm hearing the waves crash on the beach here. Obviously, not everyone lives near a beach or on a beach or, in a resort. So, in just your regular outdoor spaces, you want to think about what you can bring to those spaces to stimulate the senses and stimulate in a good way, not overstimulate, not stress your senses, right? Like the waves crashing on the beach are very calming. You could get, a machine that makes that sound or makes outdoor noises that are calming to you, like, rain, or you could do animal sounds in woodlands, or whatever floats your boat, right? For me, I love the sound of rushing water and waves and things like that. It's very calming for me. Obviously, you want to think about what you're visually looking at. So you want to find things that are stimulating to you visually, whether that be the vegetation around you, flowers, plants. For me, it's my garden, my vegetable garden, my herb garden, the flowers that I've planted. It's the colors that I've picked for my outdoor furniture. Think about what you're looking at and whether it creates a sense of calm and feeling of coziness for you. Other than the senses, you want to have comfortable furniture, right? Right now I'm in this swing here. I love a good swing. In fact, I plan on getting one for my outdoor space at some point. But having a comfortable space to just lounge or relax is important. It doesn't have to be anything extravagant, and it doesn't have to be anything, over the top. A nice chair, even if it's just a chair with a little cushion on it, it's someplace for you to sit and either read, relax, have a conversation with another person. I would suggest having at least 2 chairs if you're going to have something, so you can have another person out there with you to share the space with. The other thing you want to think about is, as far as comfortable, creating comfort, is making sure that you're not sitting in a space where you're going to be inundated by the weather. You have good coverage so you don't get rained on. So the sun is not like beating down on you and killing, burning you and things like that. So think about where you're positioning your outdoor furniture, making sure that it is comfortable for you and that you have space for someone else to share it with if you can. I am coming at you poolside here to discuss the fourth element of an outdoor oasis, at least in my opinion, and that is having different zones for different purposes. So, if you have a big enough space, I would say, you want definitely a space for lounging. You want a space, for maybe group activities. If you're lucky, have a large lawn or something like for more sporty type activities. You want that. You want a place where obviously, and like I said, only if you have the space. And if you don't, you don't. But I have a cooking zone in my outdoor oasis where I can grill and prepare food. And I actually have set it up. It's not fancy in any way. It's just the grill. And then I have a stainless steel table that's right across from the grill so that I can have my food there and I can have a place to work and prepare the food if I need, and a place to just lay out the food if I want to serve people. And then, there's a space for gathering for like the fire pit, things like that. Like I said, congregational spaces. And then you want also solitary spaces. I think, at least for me as an introvert, I think this is an important thing to have in an outdoor oasis. A place where you can just come like I am right now, where it's nice and quiet and no music playing, nothing. And I can just chill and be quiet with my own thoughts. I have created a meditative space in my backyard. When I built the arbor, I built a space with a bench so I can sit on the bench, just have quiet time. And then in the background, you can hear the water fountain that I built, just going. Like I said, always thinking and keeping in mind your five senses, or as many senses as you can bring into the fold. So having designated spaces for your outdoor oasis is important. Okay, so the final element of an outdoor oasis, in my opinion, now these are all my opinions, is lighting. You want lighting that's going to help not only illuminate the activities that you're involved in, but also you want mood lighting, things that set the mood. You want obviously task lighting, ambient lighting. Also in the garden area, having lights that illuminate the vegetation around you. There's like up lights, there's down lights. Lighting is very important. Think about even like a scene in a movie, like the lighting is always very important to set the mood. So in my backyard, I have festoon lights, or those little clear lights that hang on the poles in my backyard. I have lights that are for general lighting. Those would be probably the festoon lights, but then we also have task lighting, spotlights in the yard that help illuminate the paths, illuminate the stairwell and the staircase, that illuminate the deck. So think about the lighting in your space and how you want to set the mood in your outdoor space. I'm out here on our balcony outside our room, and there is obviously general lighting here. You can also add things like a candle to give you like the ambiance and romantic light that you may want. Even the light from your fire pit is another nice ambient kind of light. But always consider lighting in your outdoor space. Anyway, that is it. That is all of my 5 tips on creating an outdoor oasis. I hope this was helpful. I hope you were able to get something from this, from lovely Jamaica. Here, me trying to give the tips. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It does help push the video out to more people, which also helps me grow my channel, and I really appreciate it. Also, leave a comment. Let me know if there was anything in particular in this video that you already use in your outdoor space, or something that you may take into account and start doing in the future. If you don't mind, I would love to have you here as part of our community. And all you have to do is hit the subscribe button. It's free. And the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. I usually upload every Monday night. So I will see you next Monday. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. And until I see you next time, take care.